Hello everyone, quick demo on how to change the theme of your Lightning Rails application. So let's imagine you just did the quick start, you cloned the repo, you went to the project and then you ran the generator setup. Then you can start your server. So this is what I already did for you. I can start my server. We see that we're on DaisyUI 5, perfect. So now I can go to localhost 3000, open, and the first thing we see is that there is a switcher here with the theme. It comes with two default themes, the light and the dark theme by default. And where does this theme come from in Lightning Rails? It comes from the meta file. And here I see that there is the light as light theme and the dark as dark theme. And there is a little bit of logic working in the background. So these ones are first called in the application HTML, in the parent of all the HTML, let's say, where we have a data light theme that's taken from the default meta and the data dark as well. And then these ones are sent to a JavaScript theme controller, which is here, which is the toggle code. If you wanted to get rid of this, you would have to get rid of the code in these three files. But for the moment, we're not going to get rid of it. We're going to learn how to change these themes to another theme. So we'll go to the meta YAML, and in here we'll put cupcake, for example. And we save. If I go back here and I reload and I try it, I don't see any changes. This is normal. It will very likely happen to you. It's because the meta YAML is in the config folder. So every time we change something in the config folder, we have to restart our server, run it again, my browser, and then I toggle. We will see that the light color now is going to be the cupcake theme. Okay, now let's imagine I don't want to have a dark light because not every app has it. The simpler way to do it, if you want to do it very fast, is just to get rid of the navbar toggler. Let me just remove this code and then reload. And then you would have by default the dark one, the dark version. This is how the code is built. Let's imagine I don't want to have dark one by default, and I want also to clean all this code that does the theme switcher, also to keep a clean code base. Then I would go to my meta YAML. I would get rid also of this or comment it out if you want to keep it for later. Then I would also go to the JavaScript theme controller. All this we don't need anymore, so you can comment it out or delete the file. And then the most important part is I would go to the application HTML, which in here is where all the toggle logic is. I would get rid of this and then just switch it by data theme, which is what the JavaScript actually is doing in the background. And I would write whatever I want, so cupcake, for example. Then I would go back, and if I reload now, I have only one theme, and it's cupcake. And if I want to change it, then you always go back to the HTML to change the theme here. It's quite straightforward. So I hope you like this quick demo to change your themes on Lightning Rails.